Since the launch of the Chandrayaan-3 mission on July 14th, NASA ground stations have been monitoring the spacecraft's health. NASA's Deep Space Network provided telemetry and tracking coverage during the powered descent phase from their deep space stations at Canberra and Madrid. But this is neither the first time nor the last time that we have seen a collaboration between ISRO and NASA. In July, India decided to join the Artemis Accords, which is an agreement that brings together like-minded nations in the field of civil space exploration. Under this, NASA and ISRO have agreed to collaborate on a joint mission to the International Space Station in 2024. The Accords are part of an American-led initiative to return humans to the moon by 2025 and eventually expand space exploration to Mars and beyond. According to NASA, these accords are designed to shape and govern the exploration and utilization of outer space in the modern era. The ISRO-NASA collaborative venture will witness the convergence of expertise and resources from both the nations in a remarkable journey towards the International Space Station. NASA and ISRO are developing a strategic framework for human spaceflight cooperation. Besides this, there is NISAR, which is a joint Earth observing mission between NASA and ISRO. It began in September of 2014 when NASA and ISRO signed a partnership to collaborate on and launch NISAR. The mission is targeted to launch in 2024. NASA is providing the mission's radar, a high-rate communication subsystem for science data, GPS receivers, a solid-state recorder, and a payload data subsystem. ISRO is providing the spacecraft bus, the S-band radar, the launch vehicle, and associated launch services. NISAR aims to make global measurements of the causes and consequences of land surface changes using advanced radar imaging. One of the top priorities of this survey is to gain data and insight into 3 areas of Earth science, namely ecosystems, deformation of Earth's crust, and cryospheric sciences. ISRO has identified science and applications that will be complementary to the primary mission. It will help India with agricultural monitoring, studying landslides, Himalayan glacier studies, soil moisture, coastal processes, coastal winds, and monitoring climate disasters. A second radar frequency has been added to the mission to better fulfill these requirements specific to India. NISAR will be the first satellite mission to use 2 different radar frequencies to measure changes on Earth's surface less than a centimeter across.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.